An object goes from here, it catches the objects and telecasts here. A line is going and here the red line is given. Hello guys, my name is Gokul and today I am going to tell you about a live telecast of radar system. As here you can see a radar system, but before going to this topic, I will show you how the working of the radar system is done. Like here the radar system is given and the radar system has two parts. It sends magnetic waves or sound waves, and the magnetic waves go and touch an object and come back to the receiver point. Here it catches the signal and calculates how much distance it is and how long it will take to come to the point. As here you can see the diagram of this, and these are the pulses, transmitted pulses of the radar antenna, and here the target is given, and when the radar system's waves catch this target, the waves come back here. The speed of this is compared to the speed of light. Now let's go to the main topic. Here you can see a breadboard and a Arduino lithium ion batteries, which is equivalent to 8 voltage, and here a sensor and a servo motor. It is connected to the computer or laptop. Here you can see the waves. As if I do like this, or when an object goes from here, it catches the objects and telecasts here a red line. Like here the plane is going and here the red line is given. Like this it works, and the connections here are very simple. Like the power is given by the lithium ion batteries to the Arduino system. The Arduino system is connected to the servo and the sensor, which are short circuited here to the breadboard. Thank you.